guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking through all the spooky things that you can do in Disney World. All right, so I kind of just wanted to do this video because this is not just for this year. This is basically for every year, what you can do to celebrate the spooky season while you're in Disney World. Okay, so the first thing you can do is obviously go to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. There is so much to do at this party. Obviously, the park capacity, I can't talk, is limited, so you'll get on rides faster, which is awesome. If you just want to go to ride rides with less wait times, that might be worth it for you. This event is pretty expensive, so keep that in mind, but you do get to stay at the parks way later, and it does close early to the public, which is super fun. The Boo to You Halloween Parade for me is worth it alone. I love the Boo to You Halloween Parade. The Headless Horseman normally comes down ahead of time. Now they've got Max as Powerline dancing through the streets ahead of the parade. Seeing all of the Disney villains, the Cadaver Dans, seeing Constance the Bride float around, seeing the villains. Like, there is just so much great stuff at the Boo to You parade. There's also the Villains Spectacular, the Hocus Pocus Villains Spectacular, which is a super cute show. I really hope they continue to do it because it is adorable. The Sanderson sister actresses are so good. All of the villains are so fun. It's just a really, really cute show, and it has some of the best Disney music there is because the villain music is top tier. All right, the last part of the parade that is like a cannot miss, not parade, sorry, party that is a cannot miss, are the Halloween fireworks and laser projection show at the castle. They have a huge Jack Skellington that narrates, and it's so cute. It puts you just exactly in the spooky vibes that you want at Halloween. Not to mention, you can go around and trick or treat and get different Halloween treats, which brings us to our next item, which is eat all of the Halloween items. There are so many Halloween treats that launch every year. Some of them come back, some of them don't. If apple cider is your thing, definitely make sure you keep an eye out for all of the apple cider treats around Disney at Halloween time. ABC Commissary will have a frozen apple cider that's topped with green apple boba balls. You can find the same thing at Backlot Express, both in Hollywood Studios. They have Mickey Mummy cookies, a pumpkin patch cookie at Catalina Eddie's. There's a spiced caramel apple cocktail at Hollywood Brown Derby Lounge. There's a candy corn milkshake at Halloween Scoops. There is so much cute and awesome and tasty Halloween treats. If you ever need to see a food guide, the Disney food blog always comes out with a list of all of the Halloween treats you can find around the parks, so you can rely on them every year to make sure you know all of the Halloween treats that are hitting the parks. Seriously, you guys, some of this stuff is so cute. They've got a pumpkin mousse at the Trolley Car Cafe. This is all Hollywood Studios here. They've got a witch's flight of pumpkin soft serve, purple cheesecake soft serve, and Dole Whip. That's at Swirls on the Water in Disney Springs. Make sure you hop around and try all of the Halloween treats. Speaking of eating, if you want to dine with Halloween themed characters, I think it's at the Hollywood Brown Derby. Now I'm gonna get insecure about it. Hold on, I need to double check. Yes, it's at the Hollywood and Vine. What did I say? I think I said the Brown Derby Lounge or whatever. But at Halloween, they have a Minnie's seasonal dining situation. I think they do this for Christmas and maybe something special for spring or summer or Easter or something like that as well. But they do have a Halloween dine. They do that from August 12th through November 7th, at least this year at the time of this video. And it is so cute. Yeah, she has a holiday dine as well and a springtime dine. Yeah. So you can dine with her and other spooky dressed pals. It is so cute, you guys, especially if you want a seasonal character dining experience or a character dining experience in general. This is adorable. Yes, it is pricey. All character dining is pricey, but you have the added bonus of meeting characters and getting a meal in. So instead of waiting in line for characters and having your meal, you combine those things, and then you have more time to go ride rides and try spooky treats. So Minnie's Halloween Dine, check it out. Next up, I'm gonna put buy spooky merch, because if you're in Disney at Halloween, how are you possibly going to resist all of the cute Halloween stuff they have? If you want to check out a lot of the Halloween merch and what I would purchase or pass on in 2022, I will link that at the end of this video so you guys can see some of the cute Halloween merch that launched this year, and some of the not so cute. There's definitely some passes, at least for me. Next up, you have to make sure you do the quintessential spooky things that Disney World has to offer. This is riding Haunted Mansion. You have to ride Haunted Mansion if you're there for October or Halloween. In August or September. I mean, I know Disney starts Halloween really, really early, so you have to ride Haunted Mansion. And definitely make sure you drop in, get it, at Tower of Terror, because that's also a super spooky and fun ride if you're just trying to fill your day with everything spooky that Disney has to offer. Another big thing that you have to do while you're at Disney at Halloween is get pictures with the Halloween decor. There is so much cute Halloween decor around Disney World, especially in Magic Kingdom. You've got pumpkins and Mickey pumpkins and fall wreaths. It's just such a vibe. So make sure you take time to stop around and get some cute pictures with the Halloween decor. Another great thing to do around Disney World at Halloween time is double check if your resort is doing any Halloween themed events or activities. If you're staying on property at Disney World, a lot of times, especially in October, they'll have cute little crafts or events that you can participate in at your resort. Another thing that's not Halloween related, but it always happens around Halloween time, is the Epcot Food and Wine Festival. If you're into food and you're into drinks, definitely make sure you pop on over there for the Food and Wine Festival. You can go all around the world eating and drinking to your heart's desire. It's a super fun way to spend a day, and it's something that just so happens to always be there during the Halloween season. And that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little to-dos for Halloween at Disney World. I hope you guys are able to use this video either this year or next year. I hope. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me every single day until Halloween night. I've got tons more Halloween content coming for you, so come hang out with me. Leave a comment below. Let me know your favorite thing to do at Disney World at Halloween time, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!